Deep within the heart of a tranquil forest, a village thrived. Its people were known for their kindness and willingness to help one another. For generations, they had coexisted harmoniously, their lives intertwined like the roots of the ancient trees surrounding their homes. But their peaceful existence was about to be shattered. Adjacent to the village, nestled within the imposing mountains, lay a foreboding cave. Legends spoke of a monstrous creature that had been imprisoned within its depths by the village's ancestors. The villagers had erected powerful barriers to keep the beast at bay, but over time, the seal weakened, and the monster grew restless. One fateful day, as the sun cast long shadows across the village, a deep rumble shook the ground. The earth trembled beneath their feet, and with a thunderous roar, the cave's ancient doors swung open, unleashing the terrifying monster upon the unsuspecting village. The creature emerged, its monstrous form towering over the village, casting a shadow of fear and despair. Its eyes gleamed with malice, and its roars echoed through the forest, instilling terror in the hearts of the villagers. Houses crumbled, crops were trampled, and chaos engulfed the once harmonious village. But the villagers, though initially paralyzed by fear, refused to surrender to the monster's reign of terror. They rallied together, their spirits unyielding, and formed a united front against the beast that threatened their way of life. Determination burned in their eyes as they forged makeshift weapons and devised a plan to defend their homes. Amidst the chaos, a hero emerged from their midst. A young woman named Elara, renowned for her unwavering courage and selflessness, stepped forward to lead the village in its struggle. With her unwavering resolve and a heart filled with determination, Elara inspired her fellow villagers to stand tall against the monster. Together, the villagers confronted the creature, their weapons clashing against its scaly hide. The battle raged on, each swing of a sword and every courageous act, a testament to their unyielding spirit. Though the monster possessed immense strength, the unity and resilience of the villagers proved to be a formidable force. As the battle reached its peak, Elara devised a daring plan. Guiding her fellow villagers, she used their collective strength to lure the monster toward a treacherous ravine. With each step, they drew the creature closer to its impending doom. Finally, in a moment of resolute bravery, Elara triggered a trap set by the village's cunning craftsmen, causing the ground to give way beneath the monster's feet. With a thunderous crash, the beast plummeted into the abyss, its roars fading into the depths below. The village erupted in triumphant cheers, their unity and unwavering determination having vanquished the monster that had threatened their way of life. In the aftermath of the battle, the village began to rebuild, their homes rising from the rubble with renewed strength and resilience. The scars of the encounter became a reminder of their triumph and the power of unity. The villagers rejoiced, celebrating their victory and honoring the heroism of Elara, who had led them to triumph over adversity. From that day forward, the village stood as a testament to the indomitable spirit of its people. They had faced the monstrous threat together, emerging stronger and closer knit than ever before. The tale of their struggle and victory would echo through the generations, a reminder of the power that lies within unity and the courage to confront the most formidable of challenges. As the village basked in the glory of their hard-won victory, a sense of peace settled upon their rejuvenated homes. The villagers, having witnessed the strength that lay within their unity, embraced a newfound sense of camaraderie and mutual support. Their bond grew unbreakable, forged in the crucible of their shared struggle. With the monster defeated and the threat vanquished, the village flourished. The once ruined houses were rebuilt, more resilient than ever. Fields that had been trampled were revived, yielding bountiful harvests. The scars of the battle became a testament to their resilience and a reminder of their triumph over adversity. In the heart of the village, a monument was erected to honor the bravery and leadership of Elara, the hero who had united them in their fight against the monster. The monument stood tall, a symbol of their collective strength, and a reminder that no challenge was insurmountable when faced together. The village continued to thrive, their newfound unity extending beyond their struggle with the monster. They established a council of elders, wise individuals chosen from different families within the community, to guide and govern them. The council ensured that the values of unity, compassion, and cooperation remained at the core of their village. Inspired by their victory, the villagers embarked on new endeavors. They built a school where children could learn not only the skills necessary for survival but also the importance of empathy and understanding. They nurtured a thriving artistic community, with craftsmen and storytellers passing down their traditions to future generations. The village became known far and wide for its resilience and the spirit of its people. Travelers and adventurers sought refuge within its welcoming embrace. Drawn by the stories of heroism and unity, that echoed through the surrounding lands. The village became a beacon of hope, a living testament to the power of collective action, but the memory of the monster and the battle that had shaped their destiny never faded. The villagers would gather around the fire on cold winter nights, sharing stories of their ancestors' bravery and Elara's unwavering leadership. The tale of their struggle would be passed down from generation to generation, a reminder of their shared past and the strength that lay within them. And so, the village thrived, forever bound by their triumph over the monster that had once threatened their existence. Their unity remained unshakable, a testament to the resilience of the human spirit and the power of coming together in times of adversity. The village stood as a shining example to all who witnessed their story, a testament to the enduring strength of community and the triumph of unity over all obstacles.